Just after 10 p.m., a loud noise from downstairs jolted the couple who were about to fall asleep. They immediately sprang out of bed. The wife quickly started packing their belongings, while the husband hurriedly turned off the lights and then frantically gathered his books. The wife pushed the luggage under the bed and rushed to the bathroom. The husband followed suit, shoving his luggage under the bed as well, then quickly smoothed out any wrinkles on the bed, even making sure the pillows were neatly arranged. After finishing, he hurried to the bathroom, where the wife silently closed the door. The two clung to each other, not daring to make a sound. Moments later, a stranger who resembled a police officer burst in. He cautiously scanned the room with a flashlight. After finding nothing unusual, he approached the bathroom. The couple behind the door held their breath, terrified. Noticing the yellowish, slightly reddish stains in the bathtub and the rusted utensils around, the man felt a wave of disgust, further convincing him that the place was uninhabited. He and his companion soon left. The couple behind the door finally breathed a sigh of relief. To avoid being caught by immigration authorities, the couple didn't dare to delay. They jumped from the building. However, shortly after they fled, a helicopter's searchlight suddenly appeared ahead. They had no choice but to hide in a nearby bush. When the police cars drove away fully loaded, they seized the moment to run. Tired of living a life on the run, the next day, they headed to the border between Turkey and Greece. Taking advantage of the relaxed surveillance, they quickly boarded a bus bound for Greece. They randomly chose a seat and sat down. Even though they were on the bus, the sight of patrolling soldiers outside made them nervous again. It wasn't until the bus started moving towards Greece that they finally relaxed. The husband turned to his wife with affectionate eyes, as if promising her a new life. Little did they know, their life in Greece would bring even greater challenges.